Hey everyone, this is Josiah Friday with an introduction to me. I want to talk about my name first since it's very unique. It sounds like the day, it's not pronounced like the day. It's Friday with an emphasis on the R. You roll the R more. It's Spaniard French descent. Oh, and sorry, if you hear Frozen in the background, my family's watching Frozen. Going on. Um, my grandmother told me that my father's mom told me that my great grandpa is from an immigrant from Spain, so I do have a little Spanish blood in me. Although I have that, I mainly resonate with the Mexican culture. I was born in Greeley, raised in El Paso, Texas, which is a border city to Juarez, Mexico, where my mom's parents are from. My grandma, who told me about the Spanish blood we have, is from Chihuahua, Mexico. So I mainly resonate with the Mexican culture. I have never been to Spain. I've never, I don't know. So I don't know how Spanish my great grandpa was. I am 23 years old, and I am majoring in nutrition with hopes of becoming, a food scientist, a dietitian, a life coach, something around working with people. But I am open to other things, and so I'm still figuring stuff like that out. And I do currently work at Starbucks, and something that would be a great option for me as well is to work for Starbucks and create new drinks, new pastries, new food items, and so we'll just see where life goes. Um, I I went to culinary school. I didn't finish, and I plan to go back once I graduate from ASU with my nutrition degree. And so that's something else I want to finish. I had the dream of opening a restaurant, a cafe, or whatever. I'm not sure right now at this moment, still figuring all that out, but we'll see where life goes. Something that's very important to me is family. And so here, this is all my family. And let's start from left to right. We'll go super quick. This is my cousin. We both used to work at Gold's Gym, but was about 2 years ago now. This is when we came out of a workout. Here is my family. It's my dad, my mom, my brother, my sister, and me. And I just love them. This was a Christmas picture we also took 2 years ago, I believe. I don't remember. These are my grandparents, my mom's parents, and that's me. I love them so much. They're the best people. They're awesome. They always feed me when I'm at their house, and they're pastors in Juarez, so that's pretty cool. I love being there with them in their church. This is my family when we went to Disneyland last summer, during my brother's birthday. I had fun at that trip. This is Christmas 2 years ago where we took this picture. That's my mom's side of the family. We're a big family. I love them. We all look different. We're all diverse. We love being around each other, having fun. And the last three pictures here, this is my Starbucks family during Christmas, this past Christmas. I just love my partners. I love working with them. I love being with them. I have fun when I'm with them, and I appreciate that. I appreciate them. Moving on, cooking. I love food. Like I said, I went to culinary school, so I dabble a little bit in cooking when I have time and when I have the strength to clean. But uh, this dish right here, this one, I should have put them together, are dishes I created for a restaurant. I helped the restaurant open and I created the menu, and so that was a really fun experience. Fortunately, the restaurant didn't make it, which is okay, not a problem. Uh, Unique, weird things tend to not make it in El Paso, so I'm hoping maybe one day I can open my own thing if that is something down the road. But they were more of a healthy restaurant. They were a cafe and wine bar, something very unique and different. I don't know how it didn't work out. But yeah, those are two things I created. This was a dish from culinary school. I think one of the best dishes I made. I don't know if I passed this grade or whatever. I don't remember what I got, but I thought that was the best dish. This was something I made in culinary school in high school. I had culinary in high school, and that was fun too. These three dishes I made this past year. They were just. This was for Father's Day. This was with my father. This was for one of the classes I took at ASU. I had to send pictures and all this stuff. And this was for a competition. I tried to get a scholarship into ICE. Fortunately, I didn't get it. And this last one right here is caprese salad. I love caprese salad. It's one of my favorite dishes to eat, to make. And so, yeah, I am passionate about food. I love my family, and I'm passionate about them too. And this is me. This is who I am, man. I hope to get to know more of you during this session and work with you guys. So you'll have a good day, have a blessed night, and we'll hear from you guys soon.